Hey guys, in today's video I'll show you some timer and one small vacuum cleaner. So let's open it and see. So the first one is the smart timer. So let's see the timer. So here is the T1, T2, T3. There are three group timer you can select, and this one is HR for hour, how many hour you want to select, and this one is for the minute. Like I want to set it like 1 hour, 2 minutes, and 5 seconds. So this one is for T1, and this is start, and for T2 I mean another timer I can set hour, 2 hour, minute you can set like 5 minute and 3 seconds, and start, you can start T1 3 hour, 5 hour, 4 minute, and second, and start. So yeah, it's pretty easy and simple, and you can select this one as a memory, so you can use next time also. So this is how it works. This one is for the memory button, so you can select any of the timer and press the memory button to use it for the next time. It's very simple. Yeah. The next one I will open this one. So the time and temperature. So we have to set up the clock. So
these are the options, as you can see. Basically, snooze is for the timer. Once you have your for the alarm. Once you have your alarm set, then if you want to snooze it for 5 minutes or something, it will do that. Mostly we will use set and plus minus to set the clock and set the date, time, and the day of the week. And this is for alarm and timer. So basically these are the three things that we'll go over right now. The set is to set different options, plus and minus, to increase and decrease. So first you should press set. Once you press set one time, it will start blinking, right? So the first option blinks here is the day, which is right now you get confused that why it's saying ENG. So it's asking you the language, okay? So if you then just press plus minus to change the language. Plus German, Italia, maybe Italian, French, but we will stick to English. So we change to English, then press set again. When I press set again, see the day is set to Wednesday based on your year right now. Now the year is showing 2020. Then hit plus there, 21, 22, right? Now I press set again. This will last for a month. The month is 5. 5. Now again press set again, and then 5-1. Today is 1. And then the time. What is the time right now? Now the time is 8:41 a.m. By default it is a.m. So I will just change it. Oh, it's gone. Hold on. Let me do set again. It goes through this day, then the year, then the month, date, then 8:41 is the time, so we'll increase it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. I'm just pressing plus, and again I press set, it will go to the minute. Then I press I will increase it to 41. Just keep pressing plus. I will do 42 right now. That's good. Now it's all done. That's it, and it shows the temperature. Maybe it has a sensor, but I don't know whether it's accurate or not, but it shows something there. It just cycles through that. This is centigrade or Fahrenheit, right? So this one, if you press, see, so right now it is showing as 79 Fahrenheit or 26 degrees Celsius. You can change it, that format. And also the date format, the time format. The time format, you can do 12 hour or format or 24-hour format, right? Like that. So if you do 12-hour format, it is AM or PM. 24-hour format means AM, PM is gone. That's all.
How do you set it 24-hour format?
Just press this one. 12 or 24, right?
Oh, okay.
If you press it here, simple thing is AM, PM is gone for 24-hour format. 12-hour format means 8, of course.
Okay.
AM, PM is there.
And there is a snooze button. No?
Snooze button is for alarm actually. Once you set the alarm at a particular time, when the alarm hits, you can snooze it for 5 minutes. For that to work, I don't know, I have to wait 5. So first you have to set the alarm. So click here. Oh, sorry, tap here. Alarm set. Then plus minus, right? Plus minus. You will do. We'll go set again. Okay, I don't know. Alarm, then alarm set. Okay, alarm set. 8:44. Alarm set again. We did it, and then it's off. So first we have to turn back on, I think. So alarm set, set maybe off. Oh, this is 6. So we'll do 8. So what I'm doing, I'm pressing the set button and then pressing the plus minus.
Hmm, 8:45.
45. Now I will hit the set button again to confirm it, I think. Okay, so 1E. I don't know. This is Imani or I just keep pressing set, that's all. So let me see again if I go for alarm set. Yes, telling 8:45. Alarm 1. Oh, this is alarm 1. This is off. How do I turn it on? Set. If you hit set, it's turned off. It will be highlighted. Then you can press plus minus on. See, this is on. Once alarm is on,
So now
you see this. You
see how it rings.
So you will see this ring.
Ring symbol.
Then once it's on, it's not done yet. You have to hit alarm set. That's it. Now it's 8:40. Oh, it's already 8:46. That's why probably didn't ring. So we will change to 8:47. So the same steps I can see. I'll go for alarm set first. Press it here, and then we'll go for once this is highlighted, you go for set. Set. This is on already. 8. Keep pressing set again.
8:48.
8, 45, 46,
48,
47, 48,
yeah.
48, right? So now hit set again. Set again. This is 8:46. It's set. So now the time is 8:46. 8:48. The alarm should ring. $47.
Yeah, you can see.
So this is the alarm started. So now if you want to snooze, there's a snooze option here, right? So you press snooze. So it is snooze means you see this ZZ option here. It will snooze for 5 minutes or something like that. I don't know what is the difference, but it will snooze for 5 minutes, again it will beep. So that's what it does usually. Set, press it, and then first alarm set, press it, and then once it's highlighted, go for set option, set here, go to set, then the on is highlighted. Once on is highlighted, set minus is off. Now you have to keep hitting set and get out of it.
The other clock is also the similar setup. It's just white color, so you can see it's almost the same similar function.
So this is another one.
Yeah, it's just white color.
Count up, countdown, count up time. You can have a timer there, and dual use desktop wall clock, and calendar is there, of course snooze is there, and this is one thing also there I can show here. So there is another option here is called timer. So as you know, timer is pretty basic. What you call, press the timer first, it will give you this option. So then you can increase or decrease timer, right? So then similarly count plus minus. So here see, you want to do 5 minutes, 7 minute, 8 minute timer, you can do the 10-minute timer, and then timers you have to do timer again. No, hold on. So timer should end in 10 minutes. Yes, this one. Hold on, this one. When is the timer mode is there? Okay, hold on. Okay, now first thing is, I think I will have to hit the timer. The timer is for 10 minutes. Then I'll hit for the set. Oh yeah. So first timer, then set to change the time. Press snooze to start the timer. See, the timer is started and it's countdown 3, 0, 9, 40, 3, 40, right, like that. So if you want to do it again, so there is a timer clear here. You have to press both buttons. Did it clear the timer? Now the timer is 0, right? Now you have to press set first. Set timer for 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, whatever, and then press snooze to start. See, the timer started. Of course, timer is a countdown, right? 57, 56 like that. So that's about it.
This one is the vacuum cleaner. Let's see. This is the filter. Really easy to clean. You can see all this dirt. Yeah, you can clean this one. So we can see the dust.